ladies and gentlemen, it's Satan, another one, Jimmy Jr. again. Alright, we've got one more thing after this, and then I'm going to call it quits, go to sleep, and tomorrow we're going to start doing some building. Now, this is the tire supply that I'm going to be running. You can see it's an 850, and it's very heavy. And it's got all of these little charts, blah, 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 different languages. There's the specs. They're interesting specs, but it's an 850. I'm hoping it's enough because I'm planning to run the A&D in a cross tire load. I'm hoping it's enough. If not, I'm probably going to have to buy the next one up because I'm not sure exactly how much power I'm going to need. It's just someone told me 850 for the one set with everything else and all. So I'm going to die with my one friend. He built computers for a living, that's everything else. And he said, oh, an 850 should be plenty. Yeah, it should be plenty, he said. Because the most of the power plants I've ever gotten was like 500, 600 at most. But then again, I don't build high-end computers. I always build like budget-type computers and stuff. Box, what's in a box? And they're a heavy box to begin with. Looks like I got it upside down. Ooh, I like that. Look at that. I like that. Okay. Oh, I see what it is. Alright. Oh, wow. The styrofoam thingy. Oh, look. The case is in a baggie. Now, that's cool. Okay. Power cord. A gigantic bag. As you can see, oh, okay. Oh, the other power cords. I've never gotten one of these. Like I said, the most I've ever had were like 500, 600 watt power supply. As you can see, it's in a little baggy thing. I'll pull it out of this with the styrofoam on the bottom. You can see, that's very interesting. Duction angles. This thing is huge and heavy as hell. The connectors. A gigantic thing with a piece of thingy on it. And power switch. 850, like I said, the most I've ever had were like 500, 600 watt power supply. This thing's got some good weight to it. Alright, well there's that. That's what it looks like. I like the fact that it comes with this thing. It's like a nylon bag. I like that. And it's got like a Velcro deal inside it, and the outside's like a cloth or something. And then you got these. Ah, it's okay. So it's all. I guess every single cord I ever need is inside this bag. That is cool as hell. Oh, look at this. And what's it called? Bolted to the case. Alright, well, I like that. I've never had one of these like this, I know. Because the most I've always had were like 500, 600 watts. Just enough to power a budget system. Alright, well, like I said, there you go, ladies and gentlemen. That's an 850 watt. I am hoping that's plenty of power to run the A&D system. I'm planning to run a crossfire, but I'm kind of worried because when you go to the calculator, it's very close to the 850. I mean, to run it, just everything else, because everything that's going to be bolted to the computer, I'm looking at about 832, 833. Overclocking it, it takes it right up to 837, 838. That only leaves like 2-3 watts for overcharging, whatnot. So I'm kind of concerned a little bit. But the one guy I asked, he swears up and down that this is all I need, just everything else. I was going to buy the 1,200 watt one. It's like $200 and some, and he's like, nah, don't waste your money. This is all you need. So we'll find out when I put it together tomorrow. We'll find out. Alright, well, I hope you enjoy that. Like I said, this thing, phew, I like it. Then again, I always like cooling electronics. They always make good stuff. Alright, so thanks for watching. I'll be right back. I'm going to be showing you the Diggy case that I got for it, which is really designed for high performance cooling, for air cooling and stuff like that. So I'm really looking forward to playing with it, and you can move the case around real easy because it's got handles and stuff. So in a few minutes, go take a look at that. Then I'm going to go to bed because it's like coming up on 1. Then I'm going to get up tomorrow and I'm going to start doing this computer, put this thing together finally. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, click the like button, and see you back right in a few minutes. Bye bye.